Hey there, tech lovers. Today we're taking a look at the Kai Spin & Curl Special Edition Rose Gold Hair Curler. This innovative hair tool is perfect for those with shoulder-length hair between 6–16 inches. The 1-inch ceramic rotating barrel is specifically designed for this hair length, giving you beautiful curls without any hassle. One of the great features of the Kai Spin & Curl is the preset temperatures, which cater to different hair types. Whether you have fine, medium, or coarse hair, the adjustable heat-up times and temperature settings ensure that you get the perfect curls without heat damage. Plus, with the beep alert, auto temperature lock, and 1-hour automatic shut-off, you can curl your hair with peace of mind. Not only does the Kai Spin & Curl give you stunning curls, but it also reduces frizz and static and adds exceptional shine to your hair. The directional buttons, tangle protection, and 9-feet swivel cord make styling your hair effortless and convenient. And for those who are always on the go, the dual voltage feature is a game changer. If you want to achieve perfect curls without any heat damage, then the Kai Spin & Curl is the hair tool for you. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description and say hello to gorgeous healthy curls. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials.